What's up, sharks? Had a lot of fun trading the ES today. If you could do me a favor, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I am not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. All right, let's get back to the video. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. All right, we got another great video for you guys today. So let me go ahead and just show you what I'm seeing right here. I have a trend channel over here. Perfect trend channel coming up, bullish trend channel. So what I am looking for is, okay, let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So what I am looking for this to come down, okay? What come down to this trend channel. So basically like this, okay? Come up, all right? Come back down and make a higher low. And this would be called a failure, which our entry point would be right here. This would be our entry point. So basically what I'm looking for is this to come to the trend line, hit the trend line, come back up, higher low, have them fail, come back up and get us into a trade. So basically this is basically the bears trying once, they come back to the EMA, trying to trick people like it's going to keep going down, but it doesn't. It makes a higher low. And then what do people say? They're like, uh-oh, we just start selling here. This is a mistake. And they start freaking out. And where do you think their stops are? All their stops are going to be right here above that, above this high. And what happens? Boom, hits everybody's stops and just starts trailing up higher. And this is where all their pain is. This is where all their pain is. So that's what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to hit their stops. So let's go ahead and get this trade ready. Let's go ahead and buy, stop limit, a contract.
Order submitted.
Perfect. All right. Let's see if we can get in on this trade. We are at the tops right there. This is perfect. Let's let this come down now. There we go. There's a bears trying twice. So this is the first try, and this should be the second try. Should have higher lows. This is the first low. Yes, higher lows. We do have higher lows. Perfect. This is a great trade. So this would be considered a failure right here. So the bears try once. They come up to the EMA. They try twice. They fail. And guess where their stops are? Right there on that point of entry right there, which is perfect. Okay, so now waiting for it to bring us in and see if we can make some money here. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's get this. Oh, this is bullish. We are trading to the upside. We are buying 8 contracts here at 41.59 and 3/4. 41.59.75. That is where we are buying.
Order filled.
Oh, we are in. Okay. So let's go ahead and move our stuff. Okay. And let's get this up here. All right, so this right here would be our first contracts. So our target is to hit this right here. So these contracts, so this line right here. So this would be our first target right here. Once we get this target, it's considered a winning trade because our stop will then be trailed. Okay, so our stop will be trailed to the point of entry, which is right there. So that after it gets this out over here, once it gets this target out right there, my stop is trailed up to the point of entry. And guess what? Now if it does get this, first target comes back, I still keep my winnings from this target right here, which is about 4 contracts. Great, let's go. Okay, perfect. So we have a failure, right? So we come down, right? Come back up, wick off the trend line down here, which is perfect. Now we come up and we have the pullback. So this would be the pullback right here combination. So that people that miss this entry right here would have this entry with this pullback right here as well, or you can get above it if you want to. So with this pullback combination, this is the failure right here. Your pullback combination, you can get in at this bottom, or if you want to play it safe, you can get in at the top of that pullback, which the top of that pullback would just be a little bit higher than mine, which is right there, and it would have gotten you in already. Perfect. So these are my predictions, right? So this is my first target. All right, once we get this out, hopefully we'll trail our stop up as it keeps moving along.
Target filled.
There we go. First target is hit. First target is hit. Perfect. Okay, so we got our first target out. So what are we doing now? We are putting our stop up to about a tick above the point of entry, which is right there. Perfect. So now we don't have to worry. We got a winning trade, and we don't have to worry about now. Now it's just any money we make extra. Any money we make now is just extra money, basically. So, okay, so what I was going to explain to you, so this is what would be my second target. So this is my next goal right here, right? Is to hit this second target right over here, right below this range. But my goal for this trade is hopefully if we either might stay in this range and come back down and stop me out, but if I get lucky, right? So let me go ahead and draw this out for you guys. So this is my goal. So right now, it's either we stay in this range, right? Come back down, type of thing, stop me out, right? Stop my stop out, and that's fine. I already made money. If not, my goal is basically to keep going up, right? And past this resistance that we're in, there's a one big resistance, and we have a range inside this resistance. So, past this, right? Get above and try to close inside this range. This is an old range that I have. So, I mean, hopefully can get into this range. If not, that's fine. Maybe makes a new range. Who knows, right? And see if we can get all the way to the top. Maybe even up here, right? Maybe even up here to this resistance right up here. So that'll be perfect if we can get up there to this resistance right up here. That would be great. Okay, this is looking good. As you can tell, we have like basically an M pattern with higher highs, right? And higher lows, which looks like it wants to keep going. You can say an M pattern. You can say a failure of a W of what do you call it? A seller's failure pattern type of thing, and maybe hopefully we can pass all this resistance and keep going up. You know, this would be good news right there. All right, we're back. Wow, look at this. This trade is just going.
Target
Oh,
filled.
perfect. Ah, this is so great. So we did get our second target, which is perfect. And what I am going to do is I'm going to pull my stop just in case this does come back. So that's why we trade our stop. It's just to guarantee more money. Put it in simple. Guarantee the more you move your stop up while you're in the trade is the more money you're going to guarantee yourself just in case this does decide to come back and stop you out. That's all it is. All right, guys, I'm going to move my last target just a bit lower, just in case it looks like it's trying. I mean, it is getting higher highs, but not as much. It is slowing down a bit. So I just want to try to capitalize on this and try to get as much money as I can. And I am putting up my stop right below this range, so I can just capitalize on way more money. All this money right here, all this money I'll be making from here to here on this last contract. Or I can just get this runner hit, which would be perfect.
Target filled.
Perfect. Wow. What a great trade, guys. All right, Sharks. What a great trade. Let's go ahead and see how much money we made on just this trade alone. Right here. This beautiful trade all the way up there. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and see how much money I made. Wow. Wow. This is our total P&L for this trade. I've only done this trade. It's my first trade of the day, and wow, $8,017 with 36 cents. Wow, that is great. So if you can tell over here, right over here. Okay, so um Okay, perfect. So this would be my gross. So we actually made 1,050, but after fees and all that they charge for Ninja Trader, we have made $8,017 with 36 cents, which is just beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this trade. Oh, I love it, guys. This is why I love trading. This is why I wake up every single morning at 8 o'clock in the morning and I trade all the way to about 11 o'clock in the morning. That's all I do and make money. And I enjoy what I do. I enjoy trading. It's my favorite thing. Once I actually learn trading, figure out what trading was, and learn trading, I just fell in love with it, guys. And I'm sure you will too. I'm sure you will too, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and put on that bell button for notifications, as you will get notified every time I do upload a video, guys. Hey guys, have a great day and God bless. Peace.